जय लक्ष्मी रानी, तुझे घर घर पूजे प्राणी हो जय लक्ष्मी रानी.
Diwali is a festival that fills our lives with hopes for future and many dreams for tomorrow. With lots of love and blessings from Almighty, wishing you a very happy Diwali. Rangoli represents happiness, positivity, liveliness of a household, the goddess of wealth and good luck. The purpose of Rangoli is beyond decoration. In this Diwali, we prepared some basic designs. Mostly, my husband is the main artist in this painting or Rangoli drawing, and we are the helpers. And it turned out vibrant and very colorful and very beautiful finally. The main entrance needs a basic festive makeover, and with small earthen pots are the best suitable things to be makeover. And here we are getting it colored to have a festive touch on the entrance. Just candles will place in them, and it will be so beautiful candle holder and in a hanging way. And also we are trying some traditional Diwali toran on our main entrance. It is a typical way of Diwali decoration. Just few days back from local market I got these solo hand painted earthen pieces and some puja items that I will place it in the way of Diwali. The main entrance makeover is done and it is here. We have 3 balconies in this apartment and they are decorated with lights like ceremony, and let's have a look over there. This is the first balcony which is attached with our hall area and it's filled with indoor plants, and we have installed some of the focus lights and it looks so beautiful, so pretty, and it is the look from outside. And these are the 2 other balconies, and this is the distance view as we could not shoot it from here. Ma Lakshmi's puja is very auspicious on this day, and just couple of days before I cleaned our temple And today we will decorate it little more as I could not get too much time before to decorate. And I brought some lotus flowers for Ma Lakshmi, which is very favorite to Ma. The temple is ready and I tried to decorate and try to clean as much as I could. And it's now all ready. We are going to start our puja. And after the puja, it's time for the crackers. Though I don't fond of crackers, but I assisted both of our family members during bursting of some of the crackers. And we enjoyed looking them and they enjoyed bursting them. And here is how we enjoyed Diwali. And if you like, please do like it and subscribe to our channel.